$118,900 for a Dodge that looks innocent but hides a 446-pack monster built to destroy the streets. This is the legendary 1969 Super Bee A12. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a journey into one of the most feared and respected machines of the golden era of American muscle. A car that didn't need luxury badges, futuristic technology, or complicated electronics to make a statement. This is the 1969 Dodge Coronet Super Bee A12, a true Mopar icon that represents pure horsepower, aggressive styling, and the unforgettable attitude of late 1960s performance, sitting with a price tag of $189,900. This stunning Super Bee A12 is more than just a classic car. It is a piece of American automotive history, restored with the spirit of the original muscle car era. Every detail tells a story of performance, from the massive 440 CI big block V8 engine under the hood to the unmistakable liftoff A12 hood that immediately announces this is not an ordinary Coronet. The heart of this machine is the legendary 440 CI big block V8 engine, equipped with the famous 6-pack carburetor setup. This was Mopar's answer to drivers who wanted maximum power on the street and the drag strip. 3 two-barrel carburetors deliver a massive amount of air and fuel, creating the aggressive throttle response and raw power that made the A12 package legendary. The moment this engine comes alive, the deep rumble of the big block reminds everyone why these cars became legends. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over every shift. This is the kind of driving experience modern cars struggle to recreate. A direct connection between the driver, the gearbox, and a powerful V8 engine. Every gear change feels mechanical, purposeful, and connected to the road. Behind the transmission sits the legendary Dana 60 rear end, one of the toughest rear axles ever used in a production muscle car. Combined with a 4.1001 Sure grip gear, this Super Bee is designed for explosive acceleration and confident power delivery. It was built for drivers who wanted to feel every ounce of torque from that massive 440 engine. Unlike modern performance cars filled with electronic assistance, this Super Bee stays true to its roots with manual steering and manual brakes. The driving experience is raw and authentic, reminding you of an era when the driver was the technology. The car features a front and rear drum brake setup, maintaining the classic character of a true 1969 muscle machine. The exterior design is where this Super Bee truly captures attention. Finished in a brilliant bright red exterior paint, this Coronet carries the aggressive personality that made Mopar famous. The bold color highlights every body line, from the muscular proportions to the iconic front-end styling. The signature liftoff A12 hood is one of the most recognizable features of this car. Designed for performance, this lightweight hood immediately separates the A12 models from standard Super Bees. Sitting above that powerful 440 6-pack engine, it creates an unmistakable silhouette that collectors instantly recognize. Adding to the legendary appearance are the Super Bee decals and factory-style badging, bringing back the original late 60s performance attitude. The black vinyl roof creates a perfect contrast against the bright red body, giving this muscles car a premium yet aggressive look. The car sits proudly on steel wheels wrapped with red-line Firestone tires, completing the authentic factory-inspired appearance. Every exterior detail works together to create the perfect balance between street presence and historical accuracy. Underneath, this Super Bee receives the attention expected from a collector-quality vehicle. The underside features a painted finish, giving the car a clean and impressive presentation from every angle. A new exhaust system with factory-style mufflers delivers the classic Mopar sound while maintaining the original character. Additional improvements include a new gas tank, new hardware, and factory suspension components, ensuring this machine not only looks incredible, but also represents a carefully finished classic performance vehicle. Inside the cabin, the experience continues with a traditional Mopar muscle atmosphere. The interior features a beautiful beautiful red vinyl finish, matching the bold exterior personality while maintaining the classic factory appearance. The bench seats, factory gauges, and factory-style radio transport you directly back to 1969. The cockpit remains focused on the driver, featuring the original style steering wheel and the iconic factory 4-speed shifter positioned perfectly for a hands-on driving experience. There are no distractions, just the essentials needed to enjoy one of America's greatest muscle cars. A newly installed headliner adds to the refreshed interior presentation, while the stock-style finish keeps the authenticity that collectors value. The 1969 Dodge Coronet Super Bee A12 was never designed to be ordinary. It was created during a time when manufacturers competed to build the most exciting, powerful, and unforgettable machines on the road. Today, examples like this represent a disappearing era of automotive history. With its legendary 440 6-pack V8, 4-speed manual transmission, Dana 60 rear-end, iconic A12 hood, bright red styling, and collector-level presentation, this $189 900 Super Bee A12 represents everything enthusiasts love about classic American muscle. This is not just a Dodge Coronet. This is a symbol of horsepower, attitude, and a time when every drive was an event. The 1969 Dodge Coronet Super Bee A12 remains one of the greatest expressions of Mopar performance, a machine built for those who believe cars should have a heartbeat, a soundtrack, and a story. Because some cars are simply driven, but legends like this one are remembered forever.